So in this lab, we're going to get started with the Cloud KMS. You will learn how to use some advanced feature of Google Cloud Security and Privacy API, including setting up a secure cloud storage bucket, managing key and encrypted data using key management service, viewing cloud storage audit logs. First, we activate the Cloud Shell. Task 1, we are going to create a cloud storage bucket. So let's set a bucket name. Now create the bucket by running the following command. The bucket is created. So I can check my progress. Task 2 is to review the data. So download one of the source file locally so that you can see what it looks like by running. Now you can tell the download. This should display the contents of the plain text mail file. There are two types of files you will be looking for: plain text mail file and image file. Task 3 is to enable the Cloud KMS. So the KMS is already enabled. Moving on to task 4, create a keyring and crypto key. Okay, press enter. So we are going to enable the gcloud command to create the keyring. For this lab, you will be using a global location, but it could also be set to a specific region. Next, using the new keyring, create a crypto key named Quick Labs. Done. Crypto keys and keyrings cannot be deleted in Cloud KMS. Now back to your UI and type in key management. Check my progress. And you can see one keyring is here. Task 5, we're going to encrypt your data. I will take the contents of the email that you looked at earlier and base 64 and encode it by running the command. Next, using the encrypt endpoint, you can send the base 4 encoded text you want to encrypt to the specified key. So this is the command that I just run. So the response will be a JSON payload containing the encrypted text in the attribute ciphertext. Okay, so this one is done. Let me clear that. Now the next one is, now that your data is encrypted, you can save it to a file and upload it to your cloud storage bucket to grab the encrypted text file from the JSON response and save it to a file. Use the command line utility. So the response from the previous call can be piped into JEQ, which can pass out the ciphertext property to the file 1 encrypted. So now, to verify the encrypted data can be decrypted, call the decrypt endpoint to verify the decrypted text matches the original email. The encrypted data has information on which crypto key version was used to encrypt it, so the specific version is never supplied to the decrypt endpoint. Now that you have verified the text has been encrypted successfully, upload the encrypted file to your cloud storage bucket. Oh, sorry. Yeah, that should be fine. Check my progress. Yep, successful. Task 6, configure IAM permission. There are two major permissions to focus on. One permission allows a user or service account to manage KMS resource. The other allows a user or service account to use key to encrypt and decrypt the data. So to get the current authorized user, you can use this command. Next, assign that user the ability to manage the KMS resource. So you select this checkbox here. I'm under key management. Go to the checkbox and you will drop down this collapse. This drop down here. You will see the email that has the IAM permission. This is called the principal. And now we go to the task 7. Task 7, backup data on the command line. So first, copy all the email for Alan-P into our current directory. Now copy and paste the following into Cloud Shell to backup and encrypt all the files in the Alan-P directory to your cloud storage bucket. So the script loops over all the files in a given directory, encrypt them using the KMS API, and upload them to cloud storage. Now check my progress. Done. So now I'm going to my bucket. Alan-P. So these are the encrypted files. Moving on to task 8, view the cloud audit logs. Also, basically in this point you have finished the lab. You can choose to end the lab or you can continue to explore.